about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for.
Alright guys, we're doing something a little bit different for you today. We've been down the Shoalhaven Heads, been out doing a little bit of fishing, and the boys have caught us a beautiful 34 centimetre bream just outside in the river out there. So we thought we'd cook it up for you and just make this something a little bit different, more than just some meat.
I'll have to tighten your drag a bit, mate. He's a little bit bigger than... Just stop whining. I don't think so. Keep winding, mate. Keep the rod up. Oh, that's it. Keep winding, mate. She's coming in over here on the left now. You have to walk. Whoa! Bring him up, mate. I'll just hold your rod up high and just slowly walk up the beach here. Just walk up the beach. Oh, good boy, mate. Walk him up. That's a decent size, Hunter. Yeah, mate, that's a keeper. Look at this. Look what the boys have caught. A 33 centimetre bream. How are you going at the moment, Hunter? Alright?
Yeah.
Hunter thinks if we just keep walking along the beach, he can keep checking. He's definitely going to find some fish. So we're going to go with his theory. What about you, Riley? Yet to catch one?
Yep.
What's your secret going to be?
Hold it in there for a while.
Okay. Riley actually told me his secret was going to be money. He was just going to go and buy something, but we're going to keep him out here a little bit longer.
So, how I like to cook my fish. I like to take a bit of parchment paper, or I think we call it baking paper. We call it baking paper in Australia, but everything I watch is parchment paper. I like to put a little bit of butter on it, just like that, and then smear it over the aluminium foil. I do it for two reasons. One, because butter tastes fantastic, even though I'm going to add more. But the second reason is when I wrap the fish, it doesn't stick to the fish. So I put nice big chunks of butter on there. Haven't got much to work with in the surface area here. In case you haven't realised it, guys, we're down the farm. We're down the beach. Bought a new caravan, so we thought we'd get the boys out. We'd try the other side of life around the water now, as opposed to being out with the cows all the time. So once that's all nicely buttered, want to get yourself some of this stuff, guys. It's called camp mix. We can't get it in Australia, but if you have a really good friend that lives in the States, they'll be able to order it and send it across for you. It's basically garlic salt, onion salt, and a little bit of salt and pepper in there. So you want to sprinkle that over the top of your fish liberally. We do that both sides. I like to chuck just a couple of big wedges of lemon just inside where I gutted it. Place them in there. Maybe I'll only get one in there because that's big lemon. I'll leave the other one half hanging out. No, I won't. I'll get stabbed. Alright, now that's in there. I'll place that on the foil. Finish seasoning this side. Guys, if you don't know how to tell when your fish is fresh or not, all you got to do is look at the eyeball. If the eyeball's super clear, like an eyeball you're looking at your friend, you know that fish is fresh. If it's hazy and doesn't look the best and you're in the fish shop, don't buy that one, because that's sat there for a few days and it's been iced a couple of times in and out. Now we'll flip him over. Chuck on the camp mix on the other side. You can apply this liberally too, guys. And we'll wrap it up. You can add anything you want. You can add garlic, whatever you like, guys. I just like to keep it simple for the boys. Wrap it up. Now we're going to put that on the inverter cooker. Got this inverter cooker for Christmas, guys. No flame whatsoever. Just got to make sure you have the right pots. Sit them on top, cook away. Last night we did hamburgers, which your boys absolutely love. Tonight we're going to be doing some fish. We've got 2 of these. And we're also going to be cooking some pork spare ribs whilst the boys do this. What do you reckon, boys?
Yeah, it's good.
Sounds good. All right, let's get into it. All right, guys. I jumped the gun there. Wrapped up the poor fish. I was trying to get out there quick to get this cooked. I forgot to put the big butter wedges inside the foil. So as that heats up, that butter will melt all over it, steam in it, and that's what's going to give us the best flavour. Alright, now we're done. I think it's time for a beer. Cheers, guys. Alright guys, so the fish is just finished. It was about 7 minutes per side, and you're going to taste test it with me. So here we go. Whoa. Now it's probably rested here for about 15 minutes because I've had to cook these pork chops at the same time. Well, not at the same time, but after on the burner. So we'll try this out and we'll see how nice. Whoa. Look at that, I've actually got here. Oh, look at that. How nice is that? Just coming straight off the bone. That is just so soft. And see what I mean by the butter on the foil, guys? It actually won't stick to the skin if you just do it that way. So let's try it. Let's see. Just remember, this was just fishing 100 metres out there yesterday. Oh, that's good. Boys, you got to try it. Got to get in and try it. I'm going to try it on camera, but I'm going to keep eating. They're going to keep eating. I'm going to attack these pork chops as well. And we'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. We love you all. Have a great new year. It's an inverter cooker. Isn't that good on it? It's an inverter cooker. That's it, that's good. Yeah, that bit there. You can add your own sauces and everything you want to it. But just to try it fresh as.
Yeah, it's good.
Tricked ya. I just wanted like a genuine feeling of it. I won't put it in, but